Hi teacher, my name is Lina Daza, and I will speak in this video about the discussion on Angie and Carlos. Angie told Carlos to open the door and she ordered him to give the papers because her boss was very angry. Carlos asked, asked to give one moment. Angie was worried and she replied that she should take the papers to her boss because her boss told to was going there driving his car. Carlos told her to relax, and Carlos ordered her Daza to tell him what to do. Angie asked him to be fast because her boss told her would fire her. Carlos answered understood her. Angie told Carlos to pick her up so she could go to her house that night. Finally, Carlos told Angie to close the door when she left.